So enough about route parameters and nested routes. Let's talk about redirecting the user. Sometimes you want to redirect the user. For example, let's say that you also want to lead the user to /posts if he visits just /. Of course, you can duplicate that route and also handle the / case here. In this case, you could render component posts. Now, if you save this and you reload the page, you see that you load the posts component even if you go on to just / without /posts. And if you then click on a post, the link still leads to /posts/id. So now you're back to the old world. This of course works and there's nothing wrong with it. You can definitely have multiple routes with different paths which render the same content. That's absolutely fine. I'm still going to comment this out because I want to show you a different solution. You can also use a special component provided by React Router DOM, the redirect component. The redirect component, as it is a component, is simply used in your JSX code. There, you can add it to your switch statement, and then you specify a from property, so from which route you want to navigate to which. For example, from / to /posts, and then it's a self-closing component. If you use it outside of the switch statement, from can't be specified. Then you can just always redirect to /posts and not respect the path you were navigating to. I'll come back to conditional redirects outside of switch in the next lecture though. So now we have that redirect statement in the switch statement, and it's just like another route. The only difference is it doesn't render content. It simply just changes the URL so that we then reach another route for which we render content. If you save all of that and we now load our root URL again, you see the URL changes to /posts because we are redirected. This is how we can redirect to ensure that the user is moved or is navigated to the routes we want to have him on. That's redirection. However, I just mentioned that there also is some conditional redirection we can use. Let me show you what I mean with that in the next lecture.